Now we are drawing the graphs of this modulus function for this trigonometric function, sine, cos, and the tangents. So let's say we start from this sine function. Since the graph of this sine function from minus 360 to positive 360, it is plus 360, it is 1, and this is the graph of 2 minus 360 degree. Now we will draw the graph of y is equal to sine of x modulus. Since we are taking the modulus of this whole function of sine of x, so that means all these negative values will become positive there. So the graph of this, it is already positive in the first quadrant. Second, it is negative, so it will be reflected and that will become positive there up till 360. And this anti-clockwise, this is negative, so it will become positive. And then again, it was already positive, so it will be the graph from minus 360 to plus 360 within the range of 0 to 1. And since we know that the sine range is between minus 1 and 1, so for this function, sine of x modulus range is from 0 till 1, because it is lowest value is 0 and highest value is there 1. Then with the help of this same graph, we will now draw the graph of y is equal to sine of x modulus. So this is only the modulus of x, and here it is the whole modulus of x there. So that means what the positive values of x will remain positive. So their nature will be the same as shown there. So it would be like this and this. But for the negative values of x, it is becoming positive now. So the behavior of this graph will be the same as the graph of this sine function on the right hand side will be on the left hand side there. So it is like this, because it is the modulus of this sine function, sine of x only there. Here it is whole function of sine of x modulus, and here it is sine of x modulus only. So the negative values will become positive, and then you take the sign. So it is this, and for these two negative values, it will be positive, and this behavior will be same there as shown in this figure there. So its range will be sine of x modulus will be from minus 1 till 1 there. Now we draw the graph of cos of x. So we know that cos is positive. So you can get the help of this ASTC, where in the first quadrant all are positive, second sine is positive, third tangent is positive, and the fourth cos is positive. So positive, negative, negative, positive. This is the graph of cos of x. And if we use this minus 360 degree, then the graph of this will be same as this positive, negative, negative, and positive, and it is up till 360 degree there. So the cos range is basically equal to minus 1 till 1. But if we have to draw the graph of y of cos of x whole modulus, then all negative values of this function will become positive. And positive will remain positive because this is the concept of this modulus function. So it is positive. This negative part will become reflected. It will now become positive, and this is already positive there. So it is up till 360. For this portion, it is positive. Then this negative part will become positive, and this positive will already be positive here. So up till here, it is minus 360. And from this, the cos of x modulus range is from 0 till 1. Then we draw the graph of y is equal to cos of x modulus. That means what x is the angles there. So all negative angles will become positive, and their behavior will be the same as the right hand side of this graph for this cos of x there. So if this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, then the cos x modulus is like this. And this, as it is on the right side of this graph, same behavior of this cos of x modulus will be on the left side of this. And the range of cos of x modulus is lying between -1 and 1 there. So same behavior will it have this on the left and the right are same. It's because it is the modulus of only x there, not for the cos of x there. And for this third property, y is equal to tangent of x by using the same properties here. This is y-axis, this is x-axis. We know that at 90, it will become infinity, positive, then it is negative, then again it is positive, and then it is negative. And for this side, it is negative, then it is positive, then it is negative, and then it is positive there. So this is the graph of y is equal to tan of x there. Now, y equal to, and the range of this graph is tangent of x range is from minus infinity till infinity there. Now, y equal to tan of x whole modulus. Because we are taking the modulus of this graph, so all negative values will become positive. So this is already positive. This is negative, it will become positive there. Then from, it is already positive in the third. And fourth, it is negative. It will become positive there. So for this graph, it is negative, so it will become positive. It is negative, positive first, and then negative will become positive. Positive, 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 and positive. And then the last of this graph is this, which is negative. Already positive there, so it will be positive there. So this is the graph of y is equal to tangent of x whole modulus. And the range of this graph is, range means what the values of y there is from 0 till infinity. And now the last graph of this y is equal to tan of x modulus. So in this graph, because it is the modulus for the only x function there, so that means what angle will be positive there. So the same behavior of this graph of tangent of x will be for this right side of this. And this is up till 360 there. For the negative values of this x there, because x modulus is there. So the graph will become, for example, tangent of minus 90 will be same as tangent of 90 there, because minus 90 will become positive 90 there. So this graph will be like this. Negative, positive, this is positive, this one is negative. So the range of tangent of x modulus is between minus infinity till plus infinity there. So these are the three graphs for the sine, cos, and the tangents, which we have drawn it on this shape along x-axis and along y-axis, and also the range of all these three functions.